So, it has been about 4.5 months since our last video here at Harn Theory, and we've been doing all kinds of stuff, as you can see in the pictures. Crafts and fun and all kinds of entertaining things. So, um, I wanted to finally post some new information, tons of canning, and Habitat for Humanity. Cool stuff. I wanted to get some information out about what we have been doing just recently because I think it's important work. And this is what we've been working on. It is a picture of a lot where an elder that I know from White Earth has secured this space, and we need to clear out the debris so that we can put up a new trailer for her and make her a nice little home place there. It's a really nice lot, and it has an orchard on it and room for gardens and just fantastic space if we can get it cleared out. So Dan and I and Noreen Hautala and Ann Dunn worked on this together for about a day and a half. So here's what happened. Okay, this is Ann Dunn's place. Her lot goes back to about like that back tree line back there. And in front here, there's a old wood fence. We're gonna make that into a hugel bed. We're piling up some of the other wood debris over there. Over here, Ann's working on getting some of the drywall out. She says that will give some nutrition to the ground. It's her experimental garden bed. Back there is her mother's old house. They basically bulldozed it and landfilled it. This is the old trailer that we want to get out, as well as these big piles of debris. Ann's working hard, moving tires, which the tires we can use to make a nice planter bed for potatoes or whatever. And then, yeah, there's kind of debris everywhere that we're digging out and trying to get rid of. Some of the stuff we'd like to save, like this set of decking, is potential to be used again for something else. Danny's got a truck full of tools and just got back with some trash bags so we can clear up some of this debris. This is where the trailer used to be, this one. And that old trailer back there still has to be gotten out of here eventually. So the goal is to try and cut up some of this stuff, get it into small enough pieces that we can stack it over here by the road and somebody's going to come pick it up. That would be really super. Okay, it's looking a little better. We didn't do a whole lot over here, but that pile has been all cleaned up. We've bagged a bunch of stuff. We've piled up things so they're easy to load onto the trailer for going away. This big pile will be taken up, and our gypsum garden is growing. We still have some trees and stuff we'll take. We're filling in this hole here, which is a massive hole. I don't know where those holes are coming from. But our hugel bed out there is getting wood piled on it, and it's looking much better. So, what do you think, Ann?
Wonderful! Now we're going to lunch.
Yay!
That's the fine cuisine of the Dairy Queen.
And that's a big piece of stuff going out. That is heavy. All right, so there's one pile of junk, which includes part of the roof that Noreen wanted to demolish. We've got a nice couple of little piles here, all staged and ready for pickup. Some trash bags, some metal scraps, another pile of trash. We're working on our hugel bed over there, piling some wood up. And we've almost got this hole filled in over here. which has been part of our ongoing journey. You can see our hugel pile out there is starting to get a little bigger, but boy, this looks nice. And we uncovered that old bathtub Anne's mom used to grow strawberries in, right?
Yeah.
And we're thinking maybe we'll take some of this mint over here and transplant it into the, because it smells so delicious. But look at this, how much we cleared out.
Oh.
Noreen worked her butt off cutting off all those floor joists and sledgehammering the heck out of that roof. All the tree is gone. We have created a nice little wood pile over here for when Anne has her friends over. She can have a little fire in her fire pit. And we have just cleared out a ton of stuff. That's where that old truck cap was. The old shed remnants are gone, and we've even cleared out, Danny cut down some of the box elder to free up some of the fruit trees in the orchard, so her apple tree should be doing better. So I'm pretty impressed with what we've been able to do. And for just a couple of old farts and a sledgehammer and a sawzall and a chainsaw, not too shabby. This is a pretty good crew. I'd work with them any day.